Malampakan niyo supervisor niyo, si Mr. Ryan Bang. Of course, HR officer, si Reg. Malampakan niyo rin siyempre ang walang sipag na lagi mong pinapagalitan para maging on time ang sweldo niyo, si Remy Castro. Laging on time, di ba? Galit na nga sa akin yan eh. Dahil hanggang gabi yan, gumagawa ng payroll niya, mag-isa lang yan eh. Palakpakan nyo rin siyempre, ang masipag naman gumawa ng billing para makasagot Del Monte, ang ating accounting officer, si Miss Jane. Miss Jane pala yung mister. Siyempre, palakpakan nyo yung mga assistant nila. Si Ryan, siyempre, yung kanyang mga magagaling na coordinator, si Windel. Si Allen. And then, siyempre, ang inyong coordinator, si Francisco. Si Anton. Parang, teka, ulitin ko lang ang Windel. Si Windel. Palakpakan nyo rin siyempre yung mga assistant ng ating mga officer. Ang assistant ni Reg, si Richie. Ato si Richie? Yes, from Davao. Doon mo na ka i-distill yan, hindi ko na kababalik ka rin ng kagabi. Balik ka na doon sa Lunes. Ang assistant ni Remy, si Johnny. Ang assistant ni James Jeben. Pinapapan niyo si Jeben dahil si Jeben na nag-aasikaso ng ating pagkain. Pag hindi niyo pinapapan niyo, hindi kayo pakain. And then, ang bago ko in-acquire ng e-game, all-around training ko siya ng CII. Okay. So, meron ba ka nakalimutan? Aha. Siyempre, palakpakan niyo si Walter. Dapat nandito siya. Nandito nakapunta. Palakpakan niyo si Walter. Si Walter. Kaya lang, masyadong busy sa Davao.
Umiyak
Hindi siya napayagan ng mga huwag natin ko lang sige, babasahin ko na yung aking message. Sinatawag ang gawing Bisaya, pero so, pasensya na, hindi ko Bisaya ha. Pero may mga konti-konting Bisaya. Okay? I remember, it was also this time of the season last year when our president, Mr. Paul San Pedro, announces that there will be an extension in Mindanao. And a very big potential client, Del Monte, is on hand. During that time, my superior, Mr. Ray Apolinario, whispered on my ear. Sabi niya, Chef, pag-isipan mo yan. Ikaw lang ang nilumusilan ng management to manage the operation in this mill. The idea though, still unofficial that time, shared mixed emotions. Happy and honored for the trust and confidence in my ability, considering that I'm just 6 months in the company that time. With pride, I said to myself, Dong, maybe you did something wrong, something good. Sabi ko sa sarili ko. It also gave me sad feeling because the idea of being apart from my family is something not on my vocabulary. Actually, I even turned down many offers to go abroad before. The rest is history. July 27 this year, we landed in Cagayan de Oro City with Sermon, Ryan Bago, and Reg. With a heavy task that will seem impossible to some, but not to us. With the help of Windel and Richie during the first phase of the way, and then Walter, Remy, and Jay followed from Manila. Allen, Janice, Francisco, Jebel, and I also add up to complete the management team. We, having shared determination and the will to succeed, were able to convert our weaknesses into strength. Our fears into courage, threats into opportunities. In this journey, I was able to see leaders and continue to search and develop leaders who are dreamers with action, imaginative, innovators, and calculated risk takers. Leaders who are doer of things, who have the can-do attitude. Positive. They look for the positives in all things. Enthusiastic. Their drive and passion rubs to fellow leaders and members. Patient and persevering. For them, stumbling blocks are stepping stones. I still need leaders, as I mentioned. And I want to challenge every one of you to be courageous. I want you to all be courageous. Not afraid to take the risk. And not afraid to be blamed. To envision BNPC's greater role in the society. To be willing to sacrifice and to give time and effort for our cause, for the BNPC cause. To make themselves available to serve, to innovate, and to try new ideas. To do their best with what they have. To do every task with equal dedication. To be faithful to their commitment. And to believe that they can do a lot for BNPC. To do their work, not what others are doing. And to see service as an opportunity and not an obligation. With everyone and with the part and parcel contribution of each and dedicated good members, mga igsoon ko at mga kauban, we should all be proud for the accomplishment and enjoy the rest of the evening with that in mind. But tomorrow, and in the coming days to come, let's all be prepared. For the journey of 1,000 miles that we should take is just a few steps from the starting point. And many obstacles are still up for us. Together with the challenge I asked you earlier, and with the solid spirit of one team policy, one team principle, one team advocacy na lagi ko sinasabi sa tanan, I am more than willing to lead the way for all of us. And together, the finish line is not elusive. The mixed emotion I felt a year ago is still the same until now. I am happy for I consider service as an opportunity, and I'm very proud of our accomplishment. Still, I'm still sad. And many a lone night when off from work, I still miss and will continue to miss my family. But I will not back down and will continue to be strong for each and every one of you. All I'm asking is the same request I asked from you since day one. Mga igsoon, please help me to help you. Yan ang pinakilusap ko sa inyo nung una pa lang, di ba? So tulungan nyo lang ako, tulungan mo kayo. Yun lang. Maging maayos magtrabaho at maging mabuting miyembro at ihembro sa lahat. At yung ating target next year na 1,000 heads, I think makukuha natin. Maayong gabi sa tanan, maligayang Pasko o malipayong bagong tuig. Dagang salamat po.
Good job, Visitor Shuruma. Nag-host late po. Sir, I love that. Thank you so much. Nakpakat ako ng Sir, doon sana ako nga buhay pa rin itong mga BNPC numbers. Like of BM, kamu yung OPC. Ayos ba, ayos? PM? PM? PC? Bonus? Nasa si Sir Sherwin. Ayan. Thank you so much. Gabi hindi ang sir, ang ano, no, ang message ni Sir, ano sa, help me to help you. Ayan. So, unta, malaghan pa ang members and ang makatrabaho, no? Tanan, sir, tanan ba, Derek, sa Kasagara is Bugos na sign?
Yeah, that's it.
Lahat di ay. Tanan po, Del Monte, sir.
Yeah, Del Monte.
Ayan, pakpak sabi kay Del Monte, din siya ako. Kasi kaya wala ko makakita sa Del Monte karon. Ang mga part sa mga co-host, si Sir Wendell, si Ma'am RC. Kasi ko na lang sa kay Murag. Nagkagano ko lang mga yung singit. Ay gusto ko na lang mag-singit competition. Pero nakakaputay Caroling. Gusto na ninyo sa ng Caroling? Okay, ako naglamang ano, gilong, makita na ito nga. Gigotom na, gigotom, ang mga kinatawan, mga ilaw-ilaw na. Sige ma'am, saan na ako karoon ng Caroling Bangkay? Sige, kabalo ko na.
Sino judges? Asan yung ano yan?
I am the judge then. Ma'am Red?
Sino ba